All right, students. So today we learned how to graph in standard form using the x and the y intercepts. Okay, I'm going to do number 2 from the homework. I expanded it here in a little bit bigger so you can see it. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to rewrite it. So I'm going to write it twice. Okay, so over here I'm going to do the x-intercept. So I am going to circle the x to solve. Okay, give me a second. So I'm going to circle the x. I want to solve for x, and that means I'm going to zero out the y. Okay, so here I have left 10x equals negative 15. Over here, I'm going to circle the y because I'm going to solve for my y-intercept. So I'm going to circle the y, which means I'm going to zero out the x. So over here I have left negative 3y equals negative 15. Okay? Now that I have that, I'm going to solve for each of the letters. So here I'm going to divide by 10, divide by 10. So x equals negative 1.5. Okay? So in a point, when x is negative 1.5, we zeroed out the y. So that's my first intercept, my x-intercept. My y-intercept, I still don't have y alone. So divided by negative 3 to get rid of it, divided by negative 3. So y equals positive 5. So in point form, my y is 5 when I zeroed out the x. So this is my other point. Okay, so now that I have these two, now I'm going to come to my graph over here on the paper, and I'm going to graph those 2 points. So negative 1.5, 0. So on the x, negative 1.5 would be right here. And I'm going to zoom in so you can see it. So negative 1.5 would be here, and 0. Okay, so that's my x-intercept. My other point was 0, 5. So over here I go 0, 5. Okay, and after that, I'm going to take my ruler, in this case my ID, because I don't know where my ruler is, and unite those points to make my graph. So that's how you take a standard form equation, solve for the x and the y intercepts, get those 2 points, use those 2 points to get the graph of the equation.